Hi friends, in the last videos we covered very clearly what is integer data type, how you can represent integral values, what are various possible representations are there, next how to convert from one base to another base. Up to that it's very clear. So now the next data type what we have to discuss is float data type, sir. So now I have a number is there 123. It is the whole number, sir. Okay, 123 whole number without decimal point. Happily you can represent this by using integer data type. Okay, well, suppose I want diesel price. Regarding I want a diesel price. Assume that 78.43, 78 rupees 43 paisa. Assume that, sir. Sir, next dollar value in rupees. Assume 70.12. Assume that 70 rupees 12 paisa, 12 paisa like. Sir, how you can represent these values, the numbers with the decimal point? These numbers are by default considered as floating point values. Regarding, don't feel in our program you are always going to represent only whole numbers, integral numbers. No, sometimes we may require to do this type of values also. How you can do that? Okay, to represent these floating point values.